Hi. Are you frustrated because you still can't get organized even with all this free time? My name is Lauren Williams. My company is Casual Uncluttering. I'm a certified professional organizer, someone who comes into people's homes and helps them declutter and then helps them develop systems so they don't fall back into being cluttered. I am currently training to conduct organizing sessions by teleconference, by Zoom, by Duo, by Microsoft Teams, and that kind of system. So I can come to you through your computer and we can conduct organizing sessions just as if I was in your home. And actually, there are some benefits to having me not exactly in your home. If this idea is intriguing, if this sounds like it might be something effective for you, please feel free to call me at 425-947-3976 or email me at Lauren, Lauren, at casualuncluttering.com, and let's have a conversation. Because while I can't come into people's homes, I still want to help. And I still can help, and I can even make it fun. I'm good at making it fun. So please feel free to give me a call, and let's see what might be possible. Thank you. Be safe. Be well.